instructor at Project Mosaic. I'm working at the Project Mosaic to be a bridge to scholars. Currently, I'm a PhD student in geography and urban regional analysis, and I'm focused on global transportation and global urbanization. I can say that R has its strength in its own flexibility. Let's say that you have some data and you may want to analyze the data in various ways, like linear regression, logistic regression, or panel analysis, or even spatial analysis. If you use R, you can all those things at once. So you can save your time and you can analyze data in very efficient ways. Because of its own flexibility, R is currently used in many fields and many disciplines. R is currently used not only in social sciences, but also in natural sciences like biology and physics or medical sciences. So if you're going to cooperate with others, R can be a good solution. I suggest to attend my workshop to everyone who want to be excellent data analyst. I'm gonna start from the very beginning level, so you don't have to fear anything about the programming or coding or knowledge of statistics. I welcome everyone who want to be a good data analyst.